Let's get started. Select the ellipse tool to draw an oval shape. Select the pencil tool. Ensure that the smoothing is set between 55 and 60. Draw a shape similar to the one shown. Align the nodes by using the Align and Distribute tab. Check that you have chosen First Selected in the Relative to box. Duplicate using Ctrl-D or right-click and opt for Duplicate. Shade each shape a gray color. Align the shapes. Group the shapes using Ctrl-C or right-click Group. To draw the eyes, select the ellipse tool. Duplicate the circle shape by using Ctrl-D or right-click and select Duplicate. Resize and align the eye as needed. To draw the ears, select the pencil tool. Draw a shape as shown. Duplicate the shape, change the color to a pink shade. Resize as demonstrated. Copy using Ctrl-C or right-click to copy. Don't forget to align the ear shapes in the Align and Distribute tab. Create the horns in a similar way using the Pencil tool and Align and Distribute tab. Oopsie! I forgot to group the ears. We'll complete the image by drawing the nostrils, mouth, and tongue. Go to the Fill and Stroke tab and remove the lines. Thank you for watching. We hope that this tutorial will help someone.